Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your Philips TAT1108. Firstly, maybe the problem that one of your earbuds is discharged. So I recommended to put your earbuds to the charging case, let's say the right one, and charge it. You can connect also charging case to the power. Okay, if you know that your earbud charged, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to put both your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone. Then you just open the charging case, remove your earbuds from the case, and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone. Then check, is it fixed? If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly remove your earbuds from the phone. Then we need to remove them from the phone. Firstly you need to, from the case, remove it. Okay, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device, or maybe you have unpair or you have only forget, and forget device. After that, at the back side of each earbud, at the top, we have touch controls. You need to press and hold both of them for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now put your earbuds to the case, and then if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top. But not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Or maybe you have the button refresh, I guess. So you click at this button. Okay, then remove your earbuds from the charging case, and after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, and we will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!